So to record the audio in DaVinci Resolve, go to the Fairlight. But as you can see, we don't have any tracks in Fairlight. So simply go back to the edit page. We need to create a timeline first. So I'm going to create a timeline. If you imported a clip, then your timeline is already created. So you don't have to create any timeline. You can simply drag your clip in this timeline in order to record the audio. But as you can see, we started fresh. That is why we don't have any audio tracks or video tracks. Now we can simply go to the Fairlight, and if you want to record your audio in track 1, you have to select track 1, and it will also highlighted this track in this mixer interface. Now for example, let's create multiple tracks, and as you can see, we have track 1, we have track 2, but we don't have this track 3. If you select this, as you can see, we don't have this track right here in the mixer. But if you drag this interface to the left side, now we have this track hide behind this bus 1 track. Now if you select your track in the mixer, it will also highlighted this track in this interface of Fairlight. And if you select your track in the Fairlight interface, it will also highlighted this track in the mixer interface as well. Now let's say you want to record your audio in track 3. So simply select track 3, go to the input, select no input, go to the input, select your microphone. So I am using the PD200X microphone. So I'm going to select this microphone and I'm going to select my audio track, which is audio 3. Now click on this patch button and close this window. Now if we enable ARM for record, now as you can see, we have this audio dB level appearing. Now, if this is not working in DaVinci Resolve for you, then you're probably using the XLR cable for your microphone. If you don't have a USB microphone, then probably your microphone won't work with DaVinci Resolve. In my case, my USB Type-C microphone is working fine while recording the audio in DaVinci Resolve, while the XLR cable did not work at all. Now to record the audio, simply click on this button which is called Record. And as you can see, now we are recording the audio in DaVinci Resolve. Now to stop the audio recording, we can simply click on this button to stop the audio recording. Now if you want to voice over your video, simply go to the edit page, drag your clip in timeline. I'm going to mute my clip for now. And now we can go to the Fairlight page. I can select this audio track, press backspace to delete this audio track. Now we can simply click here floating window. And now as you can see, we have this floating window. Now we can click on this record button and we can voice over this video while we are watching this video. Now if you finish voiceover, we can simply click on the stop button. We can click here and now it's go back to its original position. And if we go to the edit page, as you can see, now we have this voiceover audio track and we have the original audio track. So this is how we can simply record an audio in DaVinci Resolve.